Listen, this is chapter number 6, application of derivatives, exercise 6.3, part number 3. That means video number 3. Already video 1 and 2 we have uploaded from exercise 6.3. Now we are going question number 7. Find both maximum value and minimum value for the following function. Have you seen the interval what it is? Closed interval. Now what we can use? Absolute maximum we can use. Absolute na don't want to go theorem 3. This that means first derivative don't want to go. Even theorem 4 that means second derivative also don't want to go. Just find the x value, substitute all the x value in the function, which is the big, that is the maximum, and which is small, that is the minimum value. That's it. And this end point also you want to consider as a x values. Okay. First the given function I am taking, f of x is equal to 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. That is the given function. This one we have to differentiate to find the x value. So let's differentiate this. 3 into x power 4, when you differentiate, you will be getting 4x cube. Same manner, x cube when you differentiate, you will be getting 3x power 2. Same manner, x square when you differentiate, you will be getting 2x minus 48 into x value when you differentiate 1, constant when you differentiate 0. Okay, this one we have to simplify. Now you can multiply this. 3 4s are 12 x cube minus 8 3s are 24 x square. Again 24x minus 48. What is common in all the terms? 12 is common. So take 12 outside. So that x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus what pa? 4. Minus what ma? 4. Okay. Now you have to simplify this x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4. Listen carefully. From these two, what is common pa? X square. So x square you take outside. If I am taking x square, what is remaining in the first number? Just x. And in the second number, minus 2 is remaining. Okay. Same manner, from these two, what is common? 2 is common. Then x minus 2 is a remaining. Now in the both the cases, what is the common? X minus 2. That x minus 2 you take outside. So if I am taking x minus 2 outside, what I am getting here? X square, then plus, then 2 is the remaining. Okay, that's it. This is our required, what is that? F dash of x. Now you should find x value for this. Okay. For finding x value, what we have to do, ma? Yes. Put f dash of x, which is equal to what, my dear? 0. Put f dash of x is equal to what, pa? 0 you will be getting. Okay. Right. Now, what is the f dash? Here we have this whole thing you take right there, which means 12 into x minus 2 into x square plus 2, which is equal to 0. Multiply 12 when you send opposite, na 0 divide anything, 0 it will be. Then x minus 2 equal to 0 separately, and x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Now minus 2 when you send opposite will become plus 2. So one of the x value as a 2. Okay. Now x square equal to we have. So that x square is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to square root of minus 2. This does not belongs to the real number. So rejected. Okay, does not belongs to real number and rejected. Not only real number, that number it should be belongs to the interval. That number should be belongs to interval. Interval means generally real number. Interval means generally what pa? Real number. That's what I mentioned there. Does not belongs to real number, so it's rejected. So that x value is a 2. Not only x value 2, end point of the interval also 2. Means 0 and 3 also x values. So that therefore x is equal to we have a 0, 3 and what we got a 2. This 3 is a x value. Now this all the 3 values you take and substitute in the What is that? Question means f of x. Then you will be getting what is big value, what is small value. Okay. Now let me substitute here. First at x is equal to 0 will be taking. So that 1 implies f of 0 which is equal to here 3 into x power 0 means 0 into anything 0 minus 0 plus 12 into x square na x value is 0 na, then that is also 0. 48 into 0 that is also 0 plus 25 equal to 25. See children, 0 na, wherever you have a x that all the term will become 0. So remaining 25 alone will be balanced, so that when you give 0 f of 0 is a 25. That's it. Now 3 when I am giving at x is equal to 3, if I am giving, what I am getting? 1 implies f of 3 is equal to what we have, 3 into x power 4. That means power 4 minus 8 into 3 cube plus 12 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 plus 25 plus 25. That's it. Okay. So that 3 into 3 power 4 means what, Raja? 80, 81. What, my dear? 81. Okay. 3 into 81 what, ma? Okay, 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24. 243 you will be getting. Minus 3 cube na 27. 27 into 8 pa. 27 into 8. 6, 5, 16 plus 5 na 216. So that 216 I am getting plus 3 square na 9 pa. 3 square 9. 9 into 12. Yes, 9 2s are 18. 1 10. 1 not 8. Minus 48 into 3 pa. Okay ba. 144 pa. 144 plus 25. First plus number and all you take add. So that 243, 108 and 25. Add this everything. What I am getting? 8 8 16 balance 1 5 7 376. Okay. What I am getting? 376. Then negative number everything you take. 216 and 144. Add this 0 balance 156 360. What I am getting? 360. When you subtract both, what I am getting pa? 16 16. Okay, 16 what I am getting pa? 16. Same manner we should find f of 2 is equal to what? That means at x is equal to 2 na, what we are getting, that is also we have to find. That means 1 implies f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4 na what va? 16. I am writing directly here. Minus 8 into 2 cube 8 plus 12 into 2 square means 4 minus 48 into 2 plus 25. Now let's go here. So that 3 into 16 na 48 minus 8 8 is 64. 12 into 4 8 4 48 again minus 96 plus 25. Children listen carefully. There is a 48 twice. Have you noticed it? 48 there is a twice. So that you will be getting 248 na 96. So 248 and 96 you can cancel. Then 25 minus 64 you subtract enough. 25 minus 64 what ma? So this will be 9 and 3 minus 39 I am getting. What I am getting, Raja? Minus 39. So we have a 1, 2, 3. 3 different values. In this, which is a maximum that you write maximum value, and which is a minimum that you write a minimum value. Therefore, a maximum value is what, Maharaja? 25. And minimum value is what, Maharaja? Minus 39. Minus 39. That's it. Have you understand, pa? Is it okay? So this is algebraical work. No trigonometry functions are involved in this. Fully based on xy only. So algebraical function if they are given, how to do maximum value, minimum value with close interval. This is the idea. Okay, right. Next question number 8 will start. Are we done? Those who completed kindly write question number 8. Pa. Still how many of them writing? Boys side this one? No one. Good. Girls side. Pa. 2 or 3. Write fast. Pa. So we'll go to question number 8. Question number 8. Well, listen. At what point in the interval, close interval, this is also close interval, you can notice, does the function sine 2x, it means f of x is equal to sine 2x, trigonometry function is given, attains maximum value. At what point? See, they are not asking a maximum value, my dear. Listen carefully, they are not asking maximum value. At what point means maxima they are asking. At what point it gives maximum value. Point means here maxima. Maxima they are asking. Means maximum value you should find. Or else double derivative also you can go. Where you will be getting a double derivative less than 0. That also you can say without find. That is our wish. Okay, first here close interval they are given. X belongs to the close interval 0, 2 pi. Okay, right. Now you can find this f dash of x is equal to sine derivative what pa? Cos. So that cos 2x we have multiply. This 2x when you multiply what you will be getting? 2 into x derivative 1. So that 2 into cos 2x is the f dash of x. Is the f dash of x. Okay, va? Now what is this? Put equal to 0 to find x value. Put f dash of x is equal to 2 into cos 2x. Put f dash of x equal to 0. So that 2 into cos 2x equal to 0. Multiply 2. When you send opposite what pa? Divide. So 0 divide anything 0. And 0 you will be getting. Now 2x which is equal to cos inverse of 0. Children, where you will be getting 0 in the cos ma? 90 and 270. Okay, cos 180 minus 1 pa. Okay, so that in generally you can write, in the since case I will give idea. This one you can note down. Generally in the second chapter we have studied cos x is equal to 0 na, then x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is the answer, where n belongs to the positive integer or any integer also you can do, not assume. Okay, n belongs. So this is the answer I am going to use here. So that 2x is equal to, what is the meaning? Cos inverse of 0 na, you can write that 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. Okay, n belongs to integer. So that we have to check whatever you getting answer, that must be belongs to in the closed interval 0, 2 pi. That we have to check. Okay, now we'll go one by one. First let me substitute n value 0. If I'm giving 0, what I'm getting? Okay, then 2x is equal to 0 plus 1 into pi by 2, which is equal to pi by 2. This is 2x value. Okay, if I'm finding x value na, multiply 2 when you send opposite, pi divided by 4. This is one of the x value when n equal to 0. If I'm giving, see, our answer must be lies in the given interval. Yes, it is belongs to the interval. Pi by 4 is belongs to 0 to 2 pi, so which is correct. Then n equal to 1 if I'm giving, then what I'm getting again, 2x is equal to, here we have to substitute ra. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 1 into pi by 2, which is 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 2. Okay, then x is equal to what I'm getting, 3 pi by 2 when you said opposite na, 4. So divide by 4. and this is also one of the what x value. Before that you should confirm whether it is belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Confirm 3 into pi na 180 divided by 4. 1 4 how many 4 pa 45. 3 into 45 na surely which is less than what is the 2 pi means less than 360. Okay, 135. 3 into 45 equal to right. Next, okay, which is belongs to 0 to 2 pi. This also belongs to what ma? 0 to 2 pi. Then this is also our answer. Then n equal to 2 if I take, what I am getting? 2x is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 5 by 2 which is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5. So that 5 pi by 2 that is 2x value. When x value if you want na, what is that? 5 pi divided by 4 you will be getting. And this also you should check whether it belongs to or what. So 5 into 180 divided by 4 na, that will be 45. So 5 into 45 is 25 remaining to 20 plus 2 na 22. Again this is less than 360. So this also belongs to what ma? 0 to 2 pi. Then this is also one of the x value. Okay, right. Next, n equal to 3 if I am giving. N equal to 3 if I am giving. So where you will be getting maximum we have to check. What is that? 2x is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 into pi by 2 which is equal to the 6 plus 1 is 7 pi by 2. So that x is equal to 7 pi by 4 I am getting. This also we have to check. 7 into pi na 180 divided by 4. 1 time 45 time 740 sorry 7 into 5 35 remaining 3. 7 4s are what but 28. 28 plus 3 na 31. This also belongs to then closed interval. This also belongs to closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. 2 pi na 360 pa. So less than 360. So that this also belongs to. Understand? Now finally n equal to 4 when I am taking. So 2x is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 which is sorry into pi by 2 into pi by 2 which is equal to what is that 8 plus 1 9 pi by 2 is the 2 pi sorry 2x. X is equal to what? 9 pi divided by 4 I am getting. So this is also one of the x value I said. So 9 into pi 180 divided by 4 na 45. So 9 5s are what? 9 5s are 45 remaining 4. 9 4s are 36 40. 405. 405 na it's crashed 360. So that this is does not belongs to closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. Does not belongs to na till this you can take 1 2 3 4. 4 value if we got as x value and closed interval 0 and 2 pi. Then 6 value you have to check. Okay, 6 value you have to check. Where is the maximum they are asking? Where is the maximum they are asking? Shall we go pa? All the 6 shall we go? I'll rub this side. Okay. Take all those values, substitute in the okay question. This is closed interval now. We can go what? Absolute we can go. Okay, absolute you can go. Or theorem 4 if you also not an issue, but absolute better because closed interval absolute. So we have to substitute everything in the question. Whatever the x value you have, everything you have to substitute in the question. So therefore, x value first 0, 2 pi, and what we got first pi by 4, then 3 pi by 4, and 5 pi by 4, next 7 pi by 4. This all value you have to substitute in the function number 1. Okay, so that 1 implies first what is that? F of 0. 0 if I am giving na sine 2 into 0 again sine 0 na 0 level again f of 2 pi. Raja 2 pi if I substitute sine into 2 into 2 pi, so that which is equal to sine 4 pi. Sine 4 pi na listen 2 pi 4 pi 6 pi everything equal to 0 only. Then that is also 0. Then f of pi by 4. Next pi by 4 I am substituting sine 2 into pi by 4 na, when you cancel 2 and 4 pi by 2, sine pi by 2 means 1. Then again f of 3 pi by 4. 3 pi divided by 4, which is equal to sine 2 into 3 pi by 4, which is equal to sine 2 and 4 if you cancel, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 na minus 270, 270 na minus 1. Again f of 5 pi by 4, which is equal to what? Sine 2 into 5 pi by 4, which is equal to sine 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 na 1. So how you will getting 5 pi by 2 1? I will tell you. Pa, listen. Actually, this rough work you have to do in this place only. Okay, I will do in the same place. Listen, pa. Here 0. One round if you go pi. I mean one quadrant if you cross pi by 2. Again one more quadrant if you cross one more pi by 2 when you add pi you will be getting pi. Okay, one more pi by 2 when you add 3 pi by 2 you will be getting. One more quadrant when you add 2 pi you will be getting. That's it. When you go 1 pi by 2 became 3 pi by 2. Okay, here what? 3 pi. Here what? Already, sorry, 3 pi by 2 here we have. Sorry, pa. 3 pi by 2 here na. Here you will be getting 5 pi by 2. Then 3 pi. 5 pi by 2 if I have here na, here you will be getting 7 pi by 2. One more round if you go na, here you will be getting 9 pi by 2. One more round if you come here na, 11 pi by 2. Like that we can go. Understand? And here you will be getting 5 pi. And here you will be getting 4 pi, 6 pi. Like that it will be going. All the even here, all the odd number here in the pi. Here all the odd number pi by 2 here means 1, not odd number. I mean every odd number it's coming. 1, 1, 5, 9. See 1, 3. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. All the odd number will be coming in the opposite direction only. Okay. Be careful. So here I'm getting sine equal to 1. In this value I'm getting sine minus 1. In this both I'm getting sine is a 0. Okay, that is I'm telling. Have you understand, pa? Right. Now what is that? 7 pi by 4, which is equal to sine 2 into 7 pi by 4. When you cancel 2 and 4, what I'm getting? 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2 na here. That means minus 1. That means minus 1. Okay, all the values we have done. Here, what is the big value da? 1. What is the small value pa? Minus 1. That's it. Therefore, they asked where you getting maximum value. Maximum value I am getting pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. That's it. These two places I am getting maximum value. Okay. So this is I am writing maximum here. Maximum. So they not asked the maximum value. Where you got a maximum they asked. Okay. Therefore, the maximum value is 1 at x is equal to pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. This is they asked. At which place you getting maximum value they asked. So x equal to only our final answer. Okay. This red color quadrant which I gave, that is also you mark. Then only you will understand in future how you got sine 5 pi by 4 and all 1, 7 pi by 4, how minus 1 you will be understand. I hope you understand this. Is it okay? They will be asking in the 3-mark question. Do it fast, pa. Next we are going to question number 9. Those who completed 8, write question number 9, pa. Don't waste time. Ma, everyone should draw this one, okay? Then only you will understand I said. Don't forget. Can I go to next question, pa? Question number 9 we are moving. How many of them writing from boy side? No one. Girl side, pa? Write fast, pa. Varshita is writing slowly. Write fast, Varshi. Don't waste my time. Varshita completed, pa? 10 minutes. Varshita, you said 1 hour. Okay. I heard 1 hour. Okay. Then we'll go, pa. Vanilla, how are you, pa? Ninth question have you wrote? Completed, pa? Ma, question number 9. Have you remember this question? I said this will be very important. Third term we are going to do this sin plus cos. Have you remember this? Third time we are moving this. Third time we are going this question. Have you remember or what? No. Yes, right, fine. So that f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. This is we have done in third Roman one time, fifth Roman one time, now ninth Roman one time, but with a different interval. Here, sir, interval is does not mention anything. Then what we have to take? Interval is not mentioned. You should take one round. One round means what? 0 to 2 pi. Okay, 0 to 2 pi you should take. Now differentiate this. What they asking for? What is the maximum value? Sorry, what is the maximum value of the function? For this function, what is the maximum value you will be getting? That's it. That is the question. So one round you have to take. Don't forget. F dash of x is equal to sin derivative cos derivative minus sin. Okay. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. So that cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Cos x is equal to plus sin x. Cos is multiplying with 1 if you think na. Sin divided by cos. You will be getting sin by cos na tan. Okay. So that tan where and all you will be getting 1 pa. So you should take, see here you will be getting positive tan and here you will be getting positive tan. Tan you will be getting positive in this 2 quadrant. Then this 2 quadrant only you have to consider. Understand, these 2 quadrant only you have to consider. So that first value pi by 4. Third quadrant how it will be pi plus theta. Pi plus theta only third quadrant. So the third quadrant what? Pi plus theta is what? First value what I am getting, that is the theta. That means x. X value you have to add. X value what? Pi by 4. Okay. So that pi by 4, comma, when you take cross multiply na 5 pi, sorry, 4 plus 1, yeah, 5 pi divided by 4. This is my value of x. For this both you just check whether it is a positive or a negative. Very simple. Okay. Where is the maximum they asked? But children, you see there is no interval, so that you cannot go here like a absolute method. It means like a previous one what we have done. We are substituting everything in the function. Then we are comparing which we have a big number. Big number we are telling maximum, minimum number we are telling minimum. Am I right? That you can follow. That you cannot follow here, because closed interval is not given. When closed interval is not given, you can follow either theorem 3 or 4. That means either first derivative or second derivative test you can use. I'm going theorem 4, that is second derivative test. I'm going to differentiate this. So that differentiate 1. So that what I'm getting when I differentiate 1, double derivative of the function 1, cos derivative what ba? Minus sin. Cos derivative minus sin. Sin derivative cos. You can take minus outside. You can take minus outside, so that sin x plus a cos x. Now you have to check whether it is a less than 0 or greater than 0. First f double dash of pi by 4 I am substituting here. So that minus sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 which is equal to minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2, which is less than 0. Less than 0 now what we can say pa? F double derivative less than 0 now what we can say? Maxima. Okay. Then x is equal to pi by 4 is maxima. If you want a maximum value, what we have to do? Take the x value, substitute in the question. That is the question, star point. Then maximum value at x is equal to pi by 4 is what you will be doing now. What is that? F of pi by 4 is equal to, that is star implies. I will take star implies. Star implies f of pi by 4, which means sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, 1 plus 1 2. If you take conjugate now, you will be getting root 2. Okay, right. This is at pi by 4. Now check at pi by 5 pi by 4. Okay, so that this is at what ma at x is equal to pi by 4 we are checking. Next at x is equal to 5 pi by 4 I am checking. Okay, so f double dash of 5 pi by 4 equal to double dash now we have a minus outside. Here we have to substitute. So that sin 5 pi by 4 plus cos 5 pi by 4. Okay. So 5 pi by 4 we can write how ma? Pi plus pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 we can write pi plus pi by 4. Now write minus of sin pi plus pi by 4 plus cos of pi plus pi by 4. Careful, listen. Now minus outside we have. See, this is what actually pi plus theta is which quadrant pa? Third quadrant. The sign is positive, negative pa? Negative. So that minus sin pi by 4. So pi when we have no change, sign will be sign positive, but minus will be coming. Even cos also what in third quadrant pa? Minus. So minus what is that? Cos pi by 4. Minus if we take outside there is a 1 minus. Minus and minus you will be getting plus sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is greater than 0. Greater than 0 in the double derivative. Now what we can say pa? Minima. Then x is equal to 5 pi by 4 is minima. Then minima. Then minimum value is children, minimum value, how we can find a minimum value? Can you tell me? How we can find a minimum value? Can you tell me? Take the x value, substitute in the question, that is star. So that f of 5 pi by 4, which is equal to star point na, here we have sin plus cos. So that sin 5 pi by 4 plus cos 5 pi by 4. Listen pa, I am not going to do again the same step. Listen everybody listen. So this one when you simplify, what I am getting? This one when you simplify, what I am getting? Inside you can notice minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. So that I will be writing directly. I don't want to repeat the same step. Okay. So that I am writing directly minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, which is equal to minus if we take outside na 1 by root. So, okay, I didn't take outside. Minus when you have minus 1 minus 1 add minus 2. When you take conjugate minus root 2. So what I am getting a maximum value pa plus root 2. Minimum value what I am getting pa minus root 2. That's it. They asked maximum value only. They asked a maximum value only. So that hence maximum value is root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4. That's it. Don't want write minimum because maximum only they asked. Okay, maximum only they asked. Have you understand, pa? Is it okay? Is it okay, pa? Right. Question number 9. Question number 10. Right, fast. Those who completed 9, write question number 10, pa. Write fast, girl side. What are you sitting like a mama today? Sit properly. Shall you go 10, ma? Ma, after 2 minute period going to complete, ma. That is what. Write question number 10. Those who completed 9, write question number 10. Don't waste time. Okay, we are going next. Question number 10. For 10th one algebraic function is given, not trigonometric. Listen, for find the maximum value. F of x is given 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval, in the closed interval 1 comma 3x. Find the maximum value, same function and one more interval. Aha, then Raja, in the same question there is the two question pa. Question number 10 is one time. Then I will be doing this interval, I will do second interval, you take homework. Anyone? Okay, this is absolute maximum, you can try, not issue. Now let's go with the first. Case 1 I will be doing. Case 2 you people try. Case 2 is what? Same question you want to do in the minus 3 comma minus 1 also. Okay, what all I am going to do here, same thing you want to do in the case 2 also. First f dash of x to find x value. So when I differentiate x cube, what I am getting pa? 3x square minus 24 into x derivative 1 not derivative 0. Then 2 3s are 6x square minus 24. 6 if we take outside now, what I am getting? X square minus 4. That is my f dash of x. Then put f dash of x is equal to 0 for finding the x value. Multiply 6 when you send opposite, that will be divide 0. X square minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to root 4 you will be getting. Then root 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Listen everybody. In this both the value which is belongs to the 1 comma 3. In plus or minus 2 which is belongs to 1 comma 3. Plus 2. Then plus 2 alone you have to take. Minus 2 reject. Have you understand? Whatever you taking, that must be belongs to the interval. Minus 2 you should not consider here. Again I am telling. Therefore x is equal to 2. Okay, 2 belongs to closed interval 1 comma 3. Minus 2 does not belongs to 1 comma 3. So rejected. This one is rejected. Then finally we have x value 1, 2, 3. That means end value of the interval and what we got that answer. Totally 3 value you have to take. Totally 3 value you have to take as a x. Understand? Now you have to substitute in the question. That means here. So that f of 1 equal, that means at x equal to 1, 1 implies what I am getting. F of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube 1 leave it, then just 2 minus 24 into 1 24 plus 107 which is equal to 109 minus 24. When you subtract both, what I am getting pa? 5 8 85 I am getting. What I am getting pa? 85. So f of 2 when I substitute here x cube na 2 cube na what ma 8 2s are 16 minus 2 into 24 what pa? Minus 48 plus 107 which is equal 107 16 when you add 107 16 when you add what I am getting 12 13 1 2 1 123 minus 48. Okay, what I am getting pa? Minus 48. 48 you subtract from here. When you borrow, that will be 13. 13 minus 8 na 5. 11 minus 4 7 abba. So which is equal to 75. Next f of 3. 3 cube what ma? 3 cube 27. 27 into 2 54 minus 3 into 24. 3 into 24 what? 24 into 3. 72 what Raja? 2 1 6 plus 1 72 minus 72 plus 107. So that's 107 and 54 when you add 11 6 1 161 minus 72. 72 when you subtract. So this is what is that? 11 minus 2 now what I am getting pa? 9. 15 minus na 8 which is equal to 89. So what they asked both only maximum value they asked. Appa, which is maximum pa? 89 is the maximum. Okay, that's it. Therefore maximum value is 89 at x is equal to 3. Pa, this is for case 1 ma. Okay, suppose I will write here case 1, somewhere else I will mention. So here you mention case 1. Case 1 means what? X belongs to the closed interval 1 comma 3 na case 1. Okay, for this you mention case 1 in the top. Red color I mentioned. Case 2 is what na? X belongs to what is that? Minus 3 comma minus 1. Children listen. X belongs to minus 3 comma minus 1 na. In this, which is belongs to in this interval? Minus 2. Very good. So that your x value will be what? Minus 2 you have to take. Be careful here. Then x is equal to minus 2. Sorry, otherwise I will take. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay. This 3 you have to substitute and you have to check. Can you do that 3? Okay. This 3 is your, case 2 is your homework. You find you people. Case 2 is your homework, you people find. 3 case you have to find, compare 3 and tell what is the maximum. Understand? That's it. Okay, question number 10. With the question number 10 I am completing. Next I will come with question number 11 in the next video. Thank you children. Take care. See you. Bye later. Say bye da.